The drone community is in an absolute frenzy right now, and the rumors surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro have reached a critical fever pitch. If even half of the insider leaks and technical specifications surfacing across industry channels turn out to be true, DJI isn't just iterative updating their sub-249-gram flagship, they are attempting to completely revolutionize what a compact aircraft can achieve. For months, creators and pilots have wondered how DJI could possibly push past current engineering limits without breaching strict weight regulations in the United States and globally. Now, leaked schematics, supply chain reports, and preliminary patent filings are giving us a clear picture of a machine built to smash expectations. The most explosive rumor centers on a massive leap in camera sensor architecture. Insiders are pointing toward a revolutionary stacked CMOS sensor, paired with rumors of a mechanical variable aperture system built directly into a sub-249-gram drone frame. For years, ultralight drones forced creators into a frustrating choice: either carry an entire set of physical neutral density filters or deal with blown-out exposure in overexposed skies during dynamic lighting shifts. A mechanical variable aperture on the Mini 6 Pro would eliminate that headaches entirely, allowing the lens to open and close dynamically in mid-air. Combined with whispered capabilities of uncompressed high-bitrate video recording and upgraded dynamic range, this setup promises cinematic, low-light imagery that directly rivals high-end professional camera systems twice its size and double its weight. Beyond sheer image quality, rumors around the Mini 6 Pro's flight autonomy suggest a dramatic shift in how the aircraft senses its environment. Speculation points toward the inclusion of a specialized micro-LiDAR module integrated alongside dynamic vision sensors for true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Standard optical sensors struggle in pitch-black environments or low-visibility scenarios, but LiDAR active mapping allows the drone to generate precise three-dimensional point clouds of surrounding trees, wires, and structures regardless of ambient light. Coupled with next-generation predictive tracking algorithms, the drone won't just stop when it detects an obstacle, it will actively calculate complex flight paths around branches and urban structures, enabling high-speed tracking shots in tight, unpredictable environments without manual pilot intervention. Battery performance rumors are equally mind-blowing. In the world of ultra-lightweight drones, every single milligram is heavily scrutinized. To keep an aircraft under the 249-gram threshold, battery size has historically been the primary sacrifice. However, supply chain whispers suggest DJI is adopting ultra-high-density silicon anode battery cells for the Mini 6 Pro. This chemical advancement allows far greater energy storage capacity within the exact same physical footprint and weight. The result? Extended real-world flight times pushing 40 to 50 minutes per charge, giving creators incredible airtime to scout locations, execute complex automated maneuvers, and capture multi-angle coverage without constantly rushing back to swap batteries. Equally significant are the rumors surrounding signal transmission hardware. Flying in urban environments across North America frequently introduces severe radio frequency interference, leading to laggy feeds and signal dropouts. Reports indicate that the Mini 6 Pro will debut an updated transmission protocol utilizing dynamic multiband switching and carbon composite antenna integration within the drone's arms. This translates to an rock-solid, ultra-low latency live feed straight to the controller, even when pushing the aircraft through dense structural interference or across long operating distances. Software leaks also suggest major enhancements targeted directly at modern content creators. True native vertical video capture is rumored to receive a substantial gimbal redesign, allowing full sensor rotation in a split second. Creators won't have to sacrifice resolution through digital cropping when publishing short-form video content, they will capture maximum dynamic range and resolution in native vertical orientation. Additionally, advanced flat color profiles with 10-bit color depth are expected, giving filmmakers unmatched color grading flexibility in post-production to match the Mini 6 Pro seamlessly. With professional cinema cameras. While regulatory uncertainties in the US market continue to create background noise, DJI's momentum shows zero signs of stopping. If these rumors hold water, the Mini 6 Pro will not simply replace its predecessor, it will render almost every other portable camera drone on the market irrelevant overnight. It bridges the gap between commercial-grade aerial filmmaking and extreme portability, delivering an all-in-one cinematic tool that fits right in the palm of your hand.